Dude, this car is so awesome. Look at that. You see that Lamborghini? You might not be able to see it in this light, but it says Lamborghini. Look at this car, dude. I would love to have this car. YouTube, if you have this car, I swear, I will pay you money for it. The inside, you know, man. I'm at a car dealership. I didn't even know they sold Lamborghinis here, dude. And that shit's Oh, dude. Taking a tour of a Lamborghini. It's kind of dark in here, so you might not be able to see as well. And probably because I'm taking this video on my Motorola Droid, which is the awesomest phone ever. But anyway, God, I would buy this car, but I don't have the money. I'm gonna buy this car when I'm rich. When I grow up and I'm rich. And you're gonna see me in movies, you know. Look at this. It has butterfly doors. The doors open up. It's so cool. Lamborghini, you know what it is. Lambo. And got the Ferraris. I'm just kidding. This isn't a car dealership. This is my car lineup, man. You know I gotta have those good cars, man. Got the other Ferrari. I got 50 cars, man. Look at my Ferraris. Yeah, man. All blue. Blue my favorite color, man. Got the Cadillac, the little caddy. Convertible. You know what it is. And I got the old ones too. Got these for a bargain. I got this Ferrari. You know. I got my Bentley. Yeah, man. I can't live without my Bentley. You know, man. The Ferrari. Got these little Maseratis up in here, man. But my most prized possession, I think you know what it is. Lambo. This is a Lamborghini. So, you know what it is. See you later. Look at that car, man. You must be jealous of me. Thank you.